Day 3 already of my alternative advent calendar. And this week is all about time-saving hacks to reduce your stress. Because we all need to save time, and I'm damn sure we'd all like to have our stress reduced. So day 3, clean a little bit each day. Now, I don't know about you, but I find that quite a lot of people have a specific day for cleaning, which can be stressful in so many ways. But if you're cleaning a little bit each day, say about 20 minutes or so, then you don't have that big clean at the end or the start of the week. So each day, wipe down your sink, your basin. Each day, wipe down the bath and the shower. Tidy around those areas. And when you're going to be leaving the room, leave it tidy. So when you come back in, you don't need to worry about that. And when you finish the meal, do the dishes there and then. Keep on top of them so you're not left with them at the end of the day. Or if you have a dishwasher, make sure you're loading that up through the day so you're not having to do such a big job in the evening. And that's my tip for today. Just do 20 minutes each day so you're not leaving it all for one day to cause you a huge amount of stress.